Uh, I want to know a little bit about the prank that he played with you on while he was feeding you with the cream. He fed you a mirchi, na?
Yeah,
Actually,
yeah.
with the whipped cream.
With the whipped cream, yeah.
Yeah, with the whipped cream. So I want to know a little more about the prank, and were there any off-screen pranks that were played by the two of you on each other? And that's one, and the second I will tell you.
Can I be honest? Because we were there only for 2 days and we had to finish the whole shoot in 2 days. We were shooting for long hours. We were just shooting. And whatever we did and whatever fun we had was during the shoot. So, do you remember?
सर इनको मस्ती का टाइम मिला ही नहीं।
Yeah.
You know that one particular scene where you're wearing the sando, yeah, the sleeveless sando along with the denims, and you've got a green stole around you.
That was my Ritik moment.
Yeah,
I felt like
yeah, exactly. That was totally from Dhoom, right? So that was inspired and that was thought of.
no, actually it was a coincidence. My director was just slipping on things on me and that sort of looked good on me, so we just left it there. बाद में पता चला कि it's reminding us of Ritik sir's Dhoom 2.
Dhoom 2, yeah.
And that
Right.
makes me feel very good. I hope I dance like him also.
कि ऑन स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री तो बहुत खूबसूरत है, लेकिन ऑफ स्क्रीन कैसी रही शूटिंग के दौरान?
As खूबसूरत actually. I don't know. We're very good friends. और ये हकीकत है. मैं दिशा से बहुत प्यार करता हूँ as a friend. So yeah, it was fun. She's very fun to work with. हम एक दूसरे के साथ बहुत comfortable है set पे. And I think we worked very hard. So we were more stressed about the work than, actually having fun. We just wanted to do good work for everybody.
बस पेरिस को टाइगर एक इश्क का शहर भी कहा जाता है, लाइक प्यार का शहर है। तो 2 दिनों में 48 आवर्स में आपने कुछ ऐसा देखा, आसपास फील किया?
जी जहाँ तक मुझे याद है, आई थिंक आईफिल टावर घूमे हम थोड़ा बहुत, आई थिंक उसके अलावा जस्ट ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स डांसिंग एंड रनिंग अराउंड लाइक यू सॉ.
Tiger, Disha, hi. The video looks amazing.
Thank you.
You have worked earlier with Kriti and now with Disha. And since you told you know Disha
And Shraddha and Jacqueline.
and Shraddha and Jacqueline, so how comfortable were you with Disha?
Very comfortable with Disha. Like I said, we're very comfortable on and off screen. Yeah. So yeah, it was good fun working with her. She's a very hard-working, talented girl, and she pushes me to work harder. Which is, we're both newcomers and we both want to do well. That's all.
Disha, you?
We are very good friends and we have been doing dancing and other sports together. So we have this comfort zone already. So we never felt like, oh, we're doing something different right now and we can't do it. We had this comfort zone from before, so we were like very much comfortable. And also we both are like kids. We like playing football, basketball and all these sports. So we have this friendship which makes us quite comfortable, I guess.
आपकी ऑन स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री काफ़ी अच्छी लगती है, लेकिन रियल लाइफ केमिस्ट्री भी देखने मिला हमें कई बार। आप दोनों को साथ में मूवी थिएटर्स में देखा है, डिनर पर देखा है। आपसे सवाल भी पूछा गया था टाइगर, तब आपने कहा था शी इज़ टू कूल फॉर यू।
She is too cool for me.
Thank you, Tiger.
जो हकीकत है. Yeah, we like spending time. Yeah, we go to dance rehearsal together also. Both of us are trained by Paresh sir. कई बार जिम में मिलते हैं. I love to eat. She loves to eat. Every now and then we go eat. So,
I
yeah.
think we do go out with our friends for movies and dinners or lunch. I think it's pretty normal.
थैंक यू।
सब जानते हैं कि टाइगर बहुत अच्छे डांसर हैं, लेकिन टाइगर सिंगर भी हैं, बहुत अच्छा गाना भी गाते हैं टाइगर। आपने सोनाक्षी को एक चांस दिया था उनके सिंगल के साथ उनका सिंगिंग टैलेंट दिखाने का, तो क्या इन फ्यूचर कभी टाइगर भी देखने को मिलेंगे आपकी सिंगल में गाना गाते हुए?
अच्छा, मुझे मालूम नहीं टाइगर गाना गाते हो आप?
इंटरव्यू के दौरान आपने गाना गाया था बागी के और बहुत अच्छा गाया था।
मुझे याद नहीं सर. I don't know what they're
Please sing,
saying.
Tiger, come on.
Please.
चलो यही ऑडिशन दे दो.
Come on, Tiger.
नहीं, please don't put me on the
Come on,
spot like this.
Tiger.
Thank you.
टाइगर उस समय
Tiger.
टाइगर उस समय आपके साथ श्रद्धा थी और आज दिशा है। दिशा, उनकी हेल्प करिए गाने में।
आप शुरू करो.
दिशा, आप भी गाइए।
Let him start. Sing, Tiger.
Next time sir, please.
प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं आपसे।
Ready? Don't laugh, huh? I don't sing. सारे वार्म अप वॉइस वोकल वार्म
सुनना
5 6 7 जरा जरा करीब से आजा तुझे मैं जीऊं खुली खुली है धड़कने दिल से तेरे मांग लूं टका टका टका
और भूषण जी आपको ऑडिशन कैसा लगा
Very nice. Now I'll think of giving him a singing chance for sure.
मुझे नहीं लगता सलमान खान ने ये कोई बात बोली होगी. मैं आई प्रॉमिस यू दैट सलमान खान ने ये बात नहीं बोली है. उन्होंने मुंह के शब्द, सलमान खान इतने बड़े सुपरस्टार है, उनके मुंह पे जैसे बीच में करण जौहर एंड उनका आया था ना कि उनके बातों पर डबिंग किया गया था, अब्यूज लैंग्वेज यूज की गई थी.